Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace your front light of your Suzuki GS500. First step, locate it. It's in the front side as you can see. And on the front side body of your light there are two screws. These screws you have to unscrew first to get the host of your light bulbs out of the host itself. Here you can see this is the body, and on the back side you can see the plugs for your bulbs itself. So to get on the front bulb you have to unlock it first. Here you can see, and here we are able to replace the bulb. The new bulb is only matches in one direction, so it's easy as you can see. The bulb has 60-watt power and 55-watt power. Then you can attach the rubber sealant, and you have to look about the top area of it and then push it back in position. The next step is get back the H4 bulb host back in position. But there is a position lamp too, as you can see. This tiny little lamp is your positioning lamp. How to get it off? Push a little bit and rotate it left side. Then you can remove the bulb itself. Here we are. And to install a new one, push it in position and rotate right turn. Then you have attached your new bulb. But do not touch with your fingers on top of the bulb glass. Take a cloth or something else to clean it first before you get it back in position. So now it's cleaned, now it's back, now we are ready to assemble it. So push it back in position and rotate the rubber a little bit right. Job's done. Dock the power supply of your main bulb back in position and get the entire host system back, and have a look that the holes of the screw are matches on both sides. Then you can start to attach or reattach the screw again. So easy it is to replace your front lights on your Suzuki GS500. Let's have a short check, and you can see lights is still working well. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.